Let's make an onion daiquiri. To make this drink, we are going to start with our lime juice. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of your onion syrup. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Getting pretty low. I might have to make some more of this. And just to round it off, 1/4 ounce of regular simple syrup, 1:1. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters, and the recipe for this is on the channel as well. Link to that will be down below. And finally, 2 ounces of your rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add some ice, and give it a shake. Official glass is a Coupe. I'm using an Anderson Ancestral Coupe. You can use the Coupe of your choice. I'm going to double strain that into the glass. And it turned out a little pink because I used red onions in this recipe this time. Or my onion syrup recipe, that is. And garnish. If you've got one of those little cocktail onions, that would go great on here. I don't have any of those today, so I'm going to use a dehydrated lime wheel. Float that right on top. And there you have it. Your onion daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.